It's amazing what some paint and stickers will do. I gotta be honest, that hood when it was yellow, it was about the ugliest thing I've ever seen. This kind of grows on me a little bit. It's a different shade of red, but it works. So I got some parts for this thing to do today. Some tires we need to put on, and we have an exhaust problem. I tried to fix. As you can tell, I just broke the bolt. So we're going to take this off and we're going to make our own. As you can see, we have a huge exhaust leak right here. It's noisy, it's loud, and it's heating up my leg with the way it's going. The exit right here. So this mower's been motor swapped. It was designed for a different mower. So now we're just going to design our own exhaust to work for us better. Yep, I knew that was coming. Okay. First thing I need to do is grind these flat. So we have a couple of 1.5 turn downs. It's supposed to be 1.75 inches. Looks pretty big. Got a couple of exhaust hangers. And we have 1.75 inches. So the plan is to come off the motor straight down, maybe forward a little bit, and then this will eventually connect to that. However we figure that out. I have 1.75 inches. I have a couple of 2-inch cherry bombs, and we're going to use this as the downpipe maybe. So this is what we're going to use. Let's figure it out. So usually, as you see, I got my old pipe in here. I didn't cut it out. Usually if I reuse this, I just cut it straight. But as you can tell, with the pipe in there, this will fit in there better. It'd be easier to weld that instead of, coming up to the bigger 2-inch pipe. That's the same with this. So that's why I didn't clean that off. Okay. First things first, let's put this little header thingy back on. I think I'm going to clean this real quick first before we do that. So one problem area I'm going to have is this right here. I was hoping this would clear. Looks like that way it might. So let me try another pipe up here and make sure that we're good. if we, I don't think it's going to fit here. I think it's going to have to go back this way. Which is definitely going to have one of these. One of these. I was really hoping to use this. But I'm not sure how. Because this is not right against here. But if there was a way to if we do that. With this being oversized, we may be able to just kind of put it in there sideways. Which would let us hang this down here. Okay. I think we try that. So we're going to send it this one to the front, send that one down. Maybe like right there. Then it'll miss. And this will connect about here. Alright. Let's get our welder out. Having that broken bolt down there really changes things. So we know we need our exhaust to fit in here. So we have the steering arm to contend with. And the other day I was contemplating going to the side, but with the deck height bar, that's not going to work. So we're just going to go straight back with it. So we'll just have to figure out if we need a cut. Or how much we need to cut of this. So I think what we can do is take our exhaust hanger, obviously we're just going to bolt this to the frame and weld this into the muffler so it is still removable. We just need to find where we want to do that and how we want to do that. So I think we can put the muffler here. There's still a lot of weight on the header up there. So right here, this is the magic mark right there. Oh, we pretty much got the pipe of it down. Now let's see if we can weld the down pipe in. And we're going to do this without gloves. I'm pure too lazy to go get them. The header pipe welded in. I have my hanger on this bolt, the back one. So straight, this is literally the closest it's going to get. So when you turn it, it pulls in more so. All we have to do now is put that in there. And then just weld it in right there. I do have to cut the hanger. Curious what she sounds like. What you guys? It gives it away out front, don't it? It's pretty sweet. Well, I don't expect it to be quiet. Let's see what happens. That's sweet. I'm gonna be honest, guys. That sounds better than I thought it was going to. That sounds pretty cool. So this one needed a new muffler. It's essentially the same engine platform as this one. I'll tell you this is what I know. The exhaust gaskets are the same. So this was really more of a trial run for me to understand what I'm going to do when I do this one. That's it. Sweet. I like it. I think it's cool, guys. Oh man. I think everybody needs one of these. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like that video, hit the like button and subscribe for more Shady Joe stuff. Thanks for watching.